Hey everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Muskan. Thank you so much for your lovely comment this week. If you want to check me out on other social media platforms, here are all the links. Alright, welcome to a very special Sunday video. To say that I'm excited for today's video is literally going to be an understatement. Basically, literally yesterday, Jeffree Star Cosmetics came to India, came on Nykaa, and oh my god, I was so excited. A couple of days back Morphe launched and like my jaw literally dropped, and then Jeffree Star Cosmetics launched, and just when I thought that no more makeup shopping, I don't need more makeup, I was like, how can I not give this brand a try? It's weird that I've never obviously tried the brand before, but just seeing it and just hearing so many good things about it. So I thought today, why not sit down? I, as it is, have spent a lot of money purchasing these products, and I thought that if I am curious as to what these products will be, and especially if they'll be worth the money or not, so probably some of you guys want to know more about it too. So we're going to be doing an unboxing. You're going to be seeing the packaging, of course, the swatches, and finally, of course, how it performs on Indian skin, because there are barely any reviews out there. It is one of the brands on the top of my like wish list. It's been there for a long time, and I'm glad that today I can try it out. So I won't make you wait so much. Honestly, पूरे दिन जब से डब्बा आया है, I have resisted myself so much to not open the box because I just want to see a glimpse of what the products look like. But I was like, nahi, we'll open it when we film it so that the first reaction can be captured. Yeah, this is just the Nykaa Luxe wala card. We have the invoice, and I can see the products. Shall I show you? Shall I show you the packaging? I won't show you the packaging, abhi. But they have come like taped to the box. As much as I'm very excited about this brand, the main aim is to give you guys a full unbiased review, and especially because the pricing is of course higher compared to the general Indian makeup brands pricing. So I'm going to make sure to give a really honest review and tell you guys whether it's worth it or not. So this is the mini breakup palette, which is the travel size palette or the smaller size version of the jawbreaker palette. It's a very colorful unique carton. You have the colors printed, and you have all the ingredient list mentioned very clearly. Like, it's very detailed. And ta-da! I'm just going to admire this, I feel like, for a while. So it's all over white. These colors or like splashes of paint are kind of embossed, and you also have the name Mini Breaker, which is kind of embossed in a pink, really nice color. Wow! That's really stunning. Also, for the mini size palette, like, this is a pretty good size. Now, because they want many reviews from the Indian YouTubers, one of my main focus was to see how it performs on Indian skin. So of course I'm going to be doing an eye makeup look with this, but for now let's see how it also swatches on Indian skin. So let's go shade by shade. The first is like a really stunning kind of nudish brown color called as Double Scoop. Okay, the second is Orange Crush. So this is, wow, in one swipe it's like just coming on the finger, and this is like a shimmer shade. These are so soft to touch. This is the third one. It's like a purple, which is, this is Foreplay. This is super exciting. So this is Oral. This is a kind of a duo, like it has blue and like purple tones. Then I have this really nice Purple Punch. Oh my god, wow, that's crazy. And then you again have a glitter shade. This is Slice. And then you have Bubblegum, like a really nice light pink. So this is again really soft. Then you have the shade Bite Me. Now this looks like a really stunning metallic purple. And then we have Hot Fudge. I have been on the lookout for colorful eyeshadow palettes now. I've tried so many of them, and I've never felt pigments this creamy. The pigment is crazy, especially the Orange Crush. The specks of glitter are so easily and beautifully coming through literally in one swipe. So yeah, so far this has lived up to my expectations. Before I try this on, I have another palette. No, I wasn't planning on purchasing two. I was like, pehle ki try karte hai. But I bought these products the first day they went live, and they had an offer going on. I had the mini Orgy palette free if you order like above 5,000. Also, this palette has 9 colors which are all glitter metallic. I don't know if I can show the palette on camera, like especially the unicarton. I think I'll just show you, not a close-up, but something like this. Okay, this is stunning. Like the It's a beautiful nude kind of like a base, and then you of course have the letters embossed all over. And I think, let's open. There's a little bit of fallout, so let's just, okay. Wow, the glitter metallics look stunning, especially the center one, Frozen Fire. Okay, once again the most satisfying part, taking out the peel from the glass mirror. Okay, again superb quality. The packaging feels heavy, it's not at all cheap, and we have a magnetic enclosure in this. My fingers from the previous palette have been stained a little bit, which is there as they mentioned because they are pressed pigments. So this is the first shade, Glass Wet. It, again, because it's so creamy and so soft, it came on the finger very easily. Then we have Champagne Drip. Ooh, I love this color. I love how it's swatching. And yeah, that's nice. This is right up my alley, like a really faint goldish glitter. This, I'll be honest, is very similar to Champagne Drip. Just the formulation seems different. The color seems pretty close. Okay, Soaking Sun. This one I'm super excited for. Damn, that is a beautiful bronze. Like, that coverage is crazy. Then we have Frozen Fire. Wow, that's a beautiful hue of both the colors. Okay, next we have Bathhouse. This is a grey glitter. Then Explicit. This is like a dirty green color. Honestly, not a fan of this color. Then we have Foam Party. Then of course, lastly, Eiffel Tower. This is like, the color of this one is intense, but it has specks of glitter all over, just like we had in that Orange Crush kind of a color. And these are all the colors swiped. I think I chose a wrong day to wear white. Now of course you can't use this palette on its own, but if you're someone who uses metallic, lots of glitter shades, then it almost has every kind of like tone. So just make sure that if you have enough matte shades, then you can go in with this one. And now of course is the fun part, which is actually putting on the eyeshadow. Okay, so in the matte kind of shades, you mainly have this purple color story. So the bubblegum pink, and then a darker kind of a pink, and then the purple, and then you just have this nudish yellow. So I think I will have to go the pink route. Okay, there is quite a lot of fallout, but they have mentioned this because they are pressed pigments. But the main thing is that literally I'm going in with the softest touch, and I have so much pigment on my brush already. I want to start on the outer crease because I'm not used to colorful eyeshadows being so intense, which is why I'm literally going in very lightly, and I'll gradually build it up. But it's literally looking so beautiful. And the main thing, okay, I messed up. And the main thing is that they are blending like a dream. It's so smooth. I'm literally doing no effort, no pressure, which is really great. And especially if you're a beginner and blending can seem sometimes too intense, so this is doing that very smoothly. I'm also going to dip slightly into Double Scoop for like a yellow tint. And now I think I'm going to go in with the darker pink as well. Okay, that is super intense. Again, I'm going in very lightly. I think we'll go in with a little bit of purple. Boom, in one swipe. Now the part I'm super excited for, to go in with a glitter shade. I think we'll go in with Oral because this is like a really nice duochrome shade. Going to blend this out. Okay, so I have gone for a really nice Halo Galaxy vibe kind of an eyeshadow look. I think if you want to do a more intense, more pigment intense eyeshadow look, you can easily create that. I literally have no complaints at this point. I just prefer softer, smokier eyes, and if you prefer that, then clearly you can do that as well. I think I'm going to go in with one of the shades as a highlighter, a very like sheeny kind of a metallic, and this might not be a good idea, but I have no place left to try, so I just want to try and see how they look. Okay, that's it. I need to stop, otherwise I'll turn into a clown soon with so many different things going on. Okay, next thing, super exciting stuff. It is of course the lip products, which is like signature products. So I first have the Velour liquid lipstick. This is what the Nykaa tint looks like. It has all the ingredients, you have instructions, very again detailed list of ingredients, and I have gone for the shade Calabasas. Oh my god. You have a pink band and you have the shade name on the bottom. I just can't wait. I'm just gonna go in and try it. Oh, that's a very different kind of applicator. I haven't seen that a lot. This makeup look has suddenly become pretty intense. I was expecting it to be more on the nude side, but it is more on like a really nice everyday pink. I'm just gonna wait for a few seconds for it to dry. If I'm pressing my lips, then it's spreading. I think it takes like 10-15 seconds to dry out, and as it is drying off, you can see the color payoff and you can see how they are turning really matte. That is a beautiful lip shade. When I was applying it, I wasn't sure, but now that it's set, it really looks really nice. It's very vibrant, you know, in spite of being a muted kind of a color, it's still very striking and very vibrant. As of now, it's very comfortable to wear. It's not very drying out. If I look closely, I think I can see that it is drying out, but you don't feel that kind of dryness. Honestly, I am impressed. Like, I knew they were of good quality, but still paying what, 2200 for this, it still had to be like wow. Also, I think I went for a good shade. If you like don't look at the pink eyes, if you look at like most softer eyes, then it's a beautiful pink shade. And I'm going to sip on water to do like a quick transfer test. Oh, nothing happened? Damn. There is literally nothing on the glass. Okay, moving on, which is again another lip product. It is the Velvet Trap. So these are the bullet lipsticks. The packaging of this one is super cute. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not a fan of pink. So for me, the pink is not like an attraction. But the quality, the material, the packaging of this one looks super nice. The logo is embossed. You have Jeffree Star Cosmetics right here. So now, the shade I went for in this one is because I wanted to see how intense these lipsticks are. So I went for the Perfect Red. Wait, the embossing is stunning. You have little stars on the lipstick. That is really nice. I'll first have to go and take this off. Oh, also it magnetically closed, so that's pretty cool. I've applied a little bit foundation so that there's no stain from the previous lipstick and we can see this red in its full glory. Now again, red with this eyeshadow will be a little bit too intense, but a full makeup look is not the aim of a video today. It's to see how these products do. Am I the only one who does the bottom lip first? Because usually people do the top one, but I don't know, I prefer doing the bottom one first. This has a slight fragrance. No, it can't break, guys. No. Just when I had nothing bad to say. I did not go in with this much pressure. I don't know how this broke. Problem is, I don't even know how I'm gonna finish this application. Okay, this was the best I could do with the broken lipstick. I'm trying not to think about the... How much is this for? I'm trying not to think about the lipstick of 2200 that I just broke. We will come to that later. But I at least wanted to apply it properly so that you guys have a good idea of what the lipstick looks like. The texture of this one is totally opposite to the liquid lipsticks. They went in intensely and then dried out quickly and then, you know, completely dried out. This was super creamy and super soft, and even now it's not drying out. You can feel that creaminess on your lips. According to me, it shouldn't have broken because I wasn't applying a tremendous amount of pressure. It was a very normal pressure. So I will be writing to Nykaa about this. But the more important part, I think the color looks gorgeous. This does have a slight hint of fragrance. Let's have a close-up so that you guys can see that this is what it looks like. The color is gorgeous. Okay, even though right now there's a riot of colors happening on my face, we're gonna not focus on that. We're gonna focus on how individually the products did really well. The eyeshadow palettes, all of the features that I'd heard about, they clearly worked for me. The colors are beautiful, they are so creamy, they blend so easily. So quality wise, it's definitely worth the price. The only thing you have to keep in mind, because there are just two options in the palettes right now, so if that color story suits you, or if you know you wear that on an everyday basis, and if you want to spend the money getting these colors, I would probably even maybe wait for more palettes. I hope they are getting more and more options. The Velour liquid lipstick, according to me, is the like highlight of today. Without a doubt, I think it is 100% worth the price. Also a good amount of quality. Like this is a good quantity of lipstick. About the Velvet Trap, the color is beautiful, but even now I'm feeling the creamy matte kind of a feeling, which I am not a personal fan of. If you are okay with that and if you prefer this creamy, like a little bit of a satin finish, then I think it's a good option. The pigment is clearly great, the quality is really great, and I will try for like a replacement because it shouldn't have broken this easily. And maybe I'll keep you guys updated about the replacement in the comments box. You can ask me that. Overall, at the end of the day, it was a brand I was super looking forward to, and it did not disappoint me. Any other questions, any other points that I may have missed out, because this is like technically my first like makeup brand review kind of a video. Anything you would like to ask, just drop them out in the comments. I always talk to all of you there. And yes, I think that's about it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video, share it with someone who you think may want to see it, and of course subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you on Wednesday with a beauty video.